Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson, we're going to look at steps to remove the Ask Copilot button from the context menu on File Explorer. If you probably noticed, a recent update for File Explorer now makes available an Ask Copilot option when you right-click an image file or a document. Now, if you don't want to use this feature, there are two ways that you can remove it. You can use the registry or you can uninstall the app. Now, remember that editing the registry can cause different issues if you don't do it correctly, so it is important to create a backup before proceeding. Okay, let's dive into the step, but before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything, and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. Also, remember that you can check my website for more Windows tutorials and tech news. Okay, for the first method, we're going to be editing the registry. So open the Start menu and look for the registry. Then go to this path. Then right here, we're going to right click on it and select new, and we're going to create a new key and we're going to call it blocked. And now we're going to right click the newly created key and then we're going to select a string value. And then we're going to name it like this and press enter. Now we're going to right click on it and select the modify option. And for the value data, we're going to add Ask Copilot and click OK. Now you will have to restart File Explorer, or you can restart the computer for the changes to apply. The Ask Copilot option is no longer available on the context menu. Now, it is important to know that we're editing the HKey current user branch, that you're only removing the Copilot option for the current user. Now, if you want to remove that specific option for all users, you have to do the same thing, but on the local machine key. So right here, you will create another key called blocked, and then you need to create a string, and we have to use the same value as before. And for the value data, we type Ask Copilot and click OK. Now, if you want to revert the changes, you only need to delete the blocked key in both places. And if you only edited the registry for the current user, you have to use the path that we used previously. And from here also, delete the blocked key. Now, method 2. If you don't use the Copilot app, you can actually uninstall it, and that will actually remove the Ask Copilot option from the context menu. So now if we go to the Start menu and look for Settings, then we go to Apps, Install Apps, and then we look for Copilot, then we choose the Uninstall option. And then if you close the File Explorer app and you reopen it again, the next time that you go to an image file, for example, the Copilot option will no longer be available. Now, if you want to reinstall the app, just go to the Start menu, look for Copilot, and click the Install button. And that's it. Those are two quick ways that you can use to remove the Ask Copilot option from the context menu in File Explorer. Let me know in the comments if you're actually using this feature or if you're choosing to remove it. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.